Hello everyone. Today I am going to bake a beautiful pineapple upside down cake. This cake is made with whole wheat flour. It is healthy and very tasty. So let's get started. For the pineapple upside down cake, we need these ingredients. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of curd, 3/4 cup of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, 1/4 cup of refined oil, any refined oil which does not have a smell, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk if required, pinch of salt, 5 to 6 pineapple slices and 1/4 cup of sugar for the caramel. We need one baking dish also and can just grease it on the sides. That's all. You don't need to grease it on the bottom. Just grease slightly on the sides. So let's get started. We'll be making the caramel for the cake first. Take 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar, in a non-stick pan and heat the sugar until it caramelizes. It will start melting slowly and will change color very soon. Keep the flame on low heat and very soon you will see that the color of the sugar changes to light brown. We are getting a beautiful brown color of the caramel, light golden. Now very quickly you need to pour this caramel in the baking dish. Our caramel base is ready. Now let's get started with the batter of the cake. Once the caramel cools down, arrange pineapple slices over the caramel. If you have some fresh cherries, you can add here in the middle of the slices also. In a bowl, add sugar, curd, oil, vanilla essence and mix well. The measurements are in the description box. Please refer to the description box. Mix the sugar well with the curd and oil. It should dissolve completely. We don't need to grind the sugar for this cake. We can use it as it is. It should just dissolve completely in the curd and oil mixture. If you want, you can grind the sugar and use it in the batter. Even without grinding, the sugar dissolves completely. So there is no need. In another bowl, add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, atta, pinch of salt, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, dalchini, cinnamon powder. Mix it well. Combine everything together. Mix it properly. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together properly, add some pineapple pieces or pineapple chunks to the whole wheat flour and mix again. Coat them well with the flour. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and mix it properly. We need this consistency for the cake batter. If you feel it is very thick, then you can add some milk here. But this consistency is fine. If you feel it is thick, then you can add some milk. Our cake batter is ready now. Now pour the cake batter inside the baking dish. Spread it over the pineapple slices. And your cake is ready to go inside the oven. Oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Our pineapple cake is ready to go inside the oven. The cake needs to be baked for 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, our cake is baked. Let's have a look. Wow, it looks nice and brown. Let's take it out from the oven. Our pineapple upside down cake with the flavor of cinnamon looks so good. Nothing is better than the aroma of a freshly baked cake. We'll keep it on a wire tray to cool, and once it cools down, we'll transfer it on a plate with the pineapple side up. But we have to wait for it to cool down. Cake has cooled down completely. Now we are going to separate the sides. and transfer the cake on a plate with the pineapple side up. Wow, our caramelized pineapple upside cake looks absolutely yummy. Enjoy this moist and tasty cake with your family and friends. And if you like the recipe, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.